Yo, it's Chriso. Far out, it's bloody hot at the moment on the Gold Coast of Australia. Queensland? Yeah, no it is. It must be about, I don't know, coming up to 30 degrees. It's 9:15 in the morning. They're going for a high of about 33. But it's super steamy, muggy, like January, February. Anyway, people say, oh, why don't you put a fan on? Or, you know, nah. Fan makes too much noise, it's annoying, you know. Nothing wrong with a bit of perspiration. I'm using a 12mm notchy. I used a 15mm on the floor. What I'm doing is, I haven't got a piece of tile. I've cut my bottom because I want to finish up here with a full tile at the right height. That's going to be a white tile, so I just cut the bottom to suit. I'll go up here. Well, that's going to be a 6x3 white, so I just allow to go straight on, you know, on here and whammo. But I'll have it worked out accordingly that it all lines up. I'll show you what I mean soon. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to explain. Pop those in there. I'll check it for straightness and all that jazz in a sec. Let's get them up first. Yeah, I forgot my camera yesterday, so I wasn't able to film doing the floor, but hopefully you've got the gist of it in the last video, talking about it. Whooshka. I don't mind these yellow wedges, not bad. This is a real bathroom, people. I'm in a real house and I'm doing a real job, and I'm a real tiler. Nothing's sped up, slowed down, made to look good, made to look fancy. Nah, what you got is Chris O showing you what to do. Like, I can't I've seen it a couple of times on TikTok. They're holding the they're holding the wedges like this, and then they all just suddenly appear on the wall. No, it doesn't work for me. No. No, it doesn't work for me. I'm not that clever. They can just throw their clips and wedges at the wall, and there they are in place. No, third time, still can't do it. So that's just to show that I'm real, and what I'm showing you is real. Not bullshitted, sped up, computerized. No. The people that haven't seen wedges thrown at the wall and they're in place probably think, what the hell I'm doing? Funny, really. Okay, I'll just duck out and get some wedges, and I'll come back and we'll do this. See you soon. See you in a minute.